Which of the following is correct? Molecular mass of oxygen is 32. So O2 32. Gram molecular mass of sulfur S8 is S8 there is 8 into atomic mass 32. 8 into 32 252. And the weight of one molecule of oxygen, weight of one molecule of ozone, so 3 into 16 48. So all are correct. Okay. Yes. Question number 12. There are two statements given. Gram atomic mass of element and molar mass of element are same. Yes, no? Yes. See, if you take oxygen 8, 16. So 16 is the atomic weight. 16 is the, by looking at the mass number, 16 is the atomic weight. And expressed in grams, gram atomic weight, I told you already, gram atomic weight can be called as molar mass. Why? Because in this 16 grams, there is 1 mole oxygen atoms. So that's why. Similarly for molecule also, for suppose if you take O2 molecule, there is 2 oxygen atoms, so 32. So 32 is the molecular weight. If you express in grams, it will become gram molecular weight. If you take 32 grams of oxygen, that will contain 1 mole molecule, so that is also molar mass. Molar mass. So, gram atomic mass of element and molar mass of element are same. Yes. Gram molecular mass of substance and molar mass of substance are same. Both are correct. A is true. Both A and B are true. Next, find the number of gram molecules present in the following. See, I told you already, gram molecules means 1 gram molecule means 1 mole molecules. 1 gram atom means 1 mole atoms. So, 5 grams neon. See, 5 grams neon means, so number of moles of neon is equal to weight by atomic weight. Weight upon atomic weight 10. So, it will be 1 by 2. See, actually it is how, and it means what? 0.5 gram atom. That means 0.5 moles of atoms, not gram molecule, but anyway, this will be C. Okay. Next, that nitrogen, 7 grams of nitrogen. So, number of moles of nitrogen molecule is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. So, 7 by gram molecular weight will be 28. That will be 1 by 4. That means 0.25. Okay? Yes. Moving towards question number 14. Find the number of gram molecules of hydrogen. Again, gram molecules. 1 gram molecule means 1 mole molecules. Find the number of gram molecules of hydrogen present in 1 gram molecule of methane gas. It's a very quite interesting question. See, you have taken methane. How much you have taken? You have taken 1 gram molecule. 1 gram. 1 gram molecule means how much? 1 mole. So 1 mole methane. But look at the formula. 1 gram molecule methane means 1 mole methane. But look at the formula. 1 mole methane contains 1 mole carbon. Right? Because every CH4 molecule contains 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. So, 1 mole CH4 contains 1 mole carbon, 4 mole hydrogen. 4 mole H atoms. 4 mole H atoms. But look at carefully. 4 hydrogen atoms can form how many H2 molecules? 4 hydrogen atoms, because every 2 hydrogen atoms can form 1 H2 molecule. So, 4 hydrogen atoms can form 2 hydrogen molecules, 2 H2 molecules. So, 4 mole H can be written as 2 mole H2. Be careful. 4 mole H can be written as 2 mole H2. Okay, fine. But 2 mole In the place of mole, we can use which term? Gram molecule. 1 gram molecule means 1 mole. 2 gram molecule means 2 mole. So this can be 2 gram molecule of H2. 2 gram molecule of H2. This is the answer. Moving towards question number 15. 100 grams of which gas contains maximum number of gram molecules? Maximum number of gram molecules means gram molecule means 1 gram molecule means 1 mole, 2 gram molecule means 2 mole. So you please complete watching the theory video, then only you will get clarity. So first of all, so they are asking number of moles only. So number of moles is equal to weight upon gram molecular weight. Weight in grams upon gram molecular weight. The point is, for all of them, the weight is fixed. So number of moles, the weight is fixed. Weight is 100 grams. So the point is, obviously, for the gas for which the molar mass is the smaller one, then the moles will be high, na? Because gram molecular weight is in the denominator. Among these, the number of moles of SO2 is equal to 100 by gram molecular weight of SO2 is 64. Number of moles of O2 is equal to 100 by gram molecular weight of oxygen 32. Number of moles of helium is equal to 100 by gram molecular weight of helium, gram atomic weight of helium 4. Number of moles of hydrogen 100 upon 2. So which one is having larger value? Last one, 100 by 2. Okay, so D is our answer. Because molar mass in the denominator. So that gas which is having lower molar mass will have more number of moles in a given mass. Given mass is 100. How many gram molecules of methane are present in? X gram, where X is equal to the weight of 1 gram molecule of SO2. Question is very easy. First of all, 1 gram molecule SO2. 1 gram molecule SO2. First of all, what I mean by 1 gram molecule SO2? 1 gram molecule SO2 means 1 mole SO2. Simple. Okay. What is the mass of 1 mole of any substance? I told you several times, the mass of 1 mole of any substance will be equal to its gram molecular weight. That means what is the molar mass? Sulfur 32 plus 32. 32 plus 32, 64. 64 is the molecular weight. So expressed in grams, it will become gram molecular weight. So the gram molecular weight is 64. So 1 mole SO2 will be 64 grams. And in the question, X is equal to the weight of 1 gram molecule. So this is X given in the question. The point is, how many gram molecules of methane are present in X grams? Now the question is, if you take X grams of methane, then how many moles of methane will be there? So number of moles of methane is equal to weight by gram molecular weight of methane will be 16. 12 plus 4, 16. So X is given in the question 64 upon 16, it will be 4 moles methane. 4 mole methane means 4 gram molecules of methane. 4 gram molecules of methane. Next question number 17. Gases like hydrogen, oxygen are called elementary gases, yes. Whereas gases like SO2, NO2, methane are called compound gases, yes. Because H2, group of similar atoms, when matter is having group of similar atoms, H2, same atoms, element, O2, same atoms, element, like that. When there is a group of similar atoms, that is element. When the matter is made up of different atoms, it is compound gas, NO2, compound gas, SO2, compound gas, methane, compound gas, fine. Now 1 gram mole of which compound gas weighs least? That means what you have to do, you have been given 4 options. among these 4 options, all of them you have to take 1 gram mole. 1 gram mole means you have to take 1 mole. 1 mole NO2, 1 mole N2O, 1 mole NO2, 1 mole SO2, 1 mole CH4. And all of them 1 mole. For among these 4 options, which gas will have least mass? So, first of all, if you take 1 mole NO2, 1 mole N2O, what will be the mass? Molar mass. 28 plus 32. 28 plus 32, sorry, 28 plus 16. Okay, 28 plus 16, how much? It will be 28 plus 6, 34 plus 10, 44, like this, 14. The molar mass will be 14 plus 32. 14 plus 32. Molar mass will be 32 plus 32. We need the least one. This will be 16. So, the least one is methane. The point is, whatever compound you take, if you take that compound 1 mole, then the mass of that 1 mole will be equal to the molar mass. That's simple. So, all the 4 options we have taken 1 mole only, because in the question it is mentioned that 1 gram mole. So, 1 gram mole, actually 1 gram molecule, there will be type mistake. 1 gram molecule. 1 gram molecule means how much? 1 mole molecules. 1 mole molecules. 1 mole molecules of what? 1 mole of N2O, 1 mole of NO2, 1 mole of SO2, 1 mole of methane. But we know that 1 mole of any compound, 1 mole of any compound's mass is equal to its molar mass, gram molecular weight. So that's it. So molar mass will be least for this one, 16. Okay? Yes. Next. Identify the gas whose 2 gram molecule weight is 32 grams. 2 gram molecule weight. 2 gram molecule. 2 gram molecule. 2 gram molecule means nothing but 2 mole. 2 moles of molecules. 2 moles of molecules mass has to be 32 grams. See, if 2 moles has to be 32 grams, then 1 mole has to be 16 grams. Among these 4 options, which is having its 1 mole mass as 16 grams? 1 mole mass is nothing but molar mass, na? Methane. Methane. CH4 is the formula. So 12 plus 4, 16 is the molecular weight. If you express in grams, it will become gram molecular weight or gram molecular mass, otherwise called molar mass. Why this is called molar mass? Because in this 16 grams there is 1 mole molecules. So 1 mole molecule 16 grams means 2 mole molecules 32 grams. So C is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Thank you.